This is when my Mexican Americanness was showing, when we would have ceviche, because on football game day, my dad loved football, or still does. He, instead of making like game day snacks, he would do a ceviche all the time. So we would do shrimp ceviche. So this is essentially my dad's recipe, but instead of shrimp, we're using hearts of palm, which is the center of a palm tree. And the texture, I would say, is similar to fish. Like, have you had hearts of palm?
Mm-hmm.
Would you say that like it kind of shreds sometimes?
Right.
And then with the ingredients that we're adding, it does end up tasting a little like fish. It's very interesting. So we have just chopped cucumber.
It's almost like a swordfish, right?
Yeah, I would say like a white fish, definitely. And this is the recipe that, you guys, I take to my Mexican family who, they're very hard critics, like especially my tias. They're like, they will tell me like, mija, like this doesn't taste right, if they needed to. But this is the one that like I take to my family and they ask for it. And the following time, like my tia tried to copy my recipe. I was like,
wow,
I can send it to you.
There you go.
Yeah, she came the next following time with a ceviche with hearts of palm. And I'm like, I'm so proud. And
so we've got celery, tomato, red onion.
Yeah, so this is cucumber, tomato, red onion, serrano. This is cilantro.
Yeah.
And then this marinade, all it is lime juice. And because it's like we're not using, any raw fish, you don't have to worry about anything. But with traditional ceviche, you're cooking the fish in the lime juice. But we still add the lime juice for flavor, of course. And then just a little bit of pure tomato juice. And then we'll add some salt and a little bit of garlic powder. And that's it. And so with this, the longer it sits in your fridge, the better. So yes, you can enjoy it right away, but if it marinates in your fridge overnight, then you have a flavor explosion. It's just better if it sits in your fridge overnight, even up to 2 days. You'll notice that it gets even more flavorful. So this is something that you can prep at the beginning of your week, have it in the fridge and have it for lunch or as a snack.
And it's beautiful.
Yeah, and you can serve it on tostadas, which are just like, a corn tortilla that's like fried or baked, which is how my family would typically have it. Or you can serve it with tortilla chips. And then a lot of families like to do like a thin layer of mayo and then the ceviche on top. And there's a homemade mayo in the book that is so easy, you guys. Like it's very, very easy. It sounds like it would be complicated, but it's not. It's just a few ingredients, and all you need is a blender or a hand immersion blender. So yeah, that's the ceviche, and then you can serve it with avocado too, and it's delicious.
Beautiful, really beautiful. So it looks, so this you could take to anywhere really. So be a party, dip,
yes,
a little avocado on top.
Yeah.
And then are we going to try it?
Yeah, let's try it.
All right.
Yeah, my son turns 1 in a couple weeks, and this is gonna be one of like the appetizers.
For his birthday party.
Yes.
All right.
Because I know it's like the thing that everyone will love. Here
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
All right, little on a tortilla. Can they see us still, or are we blocking the camera? They can see us.
There.
There we go. We're just going to eat in front of you. I hope you don't mind.
You guys gonna get FOMO?
We'll tell you
like I
how
feel
great
bad.
it is, I promise. And so.
Yeah, and then the idea is like there is mayo on the plate, but the idea is that the mayo would go like on the tortilla, so you can do it without. But just get a little bit of like avocado.
And a little mayo too?
Yeah, you can. Just like a tiny bit.
Looks beautiful.
Wait, you guys are gonna see us eat?
I know. Sorry, I'm so
Let's
sorry.
get my husband up here. He gets better like food tries.
Oh my gosh.
Good,
So
right?
good. Really good. This one was prepped for us, so it had time to sit in the flavors. Well, marinate is a better word. And it's really, really good. And And what did they say? You wouldn't even know it's vegan.
No. But like something about the hearts of palm tastes like a
So
little
good.
fishy in a weird way.